Come here, Larry. Come here. Get back up here, boy. What up, bro? That boy Zeus getting big, boy. You gonna need one of these vests in a minute now. I seen him at the show. That boy Zeus getting big as fuck. Come here, Larry. Come here, Larry. Good boy. G, what up? There, you go in the street, I'm gonna bust your head. Come on, Larry. You got a shit. Little shitty. Oh, you shitty Larry. Shitty Larry. Shit, you know who we at, bro? Yeah, you click on that little link up there, that X-Dog shit. They'll get you right. And they for the low. You might just need to go and get him an extra large already, though. Don't even fuck around with them sizes. You're gonna spend more money doing that shit. I had to learn that the hard way. Just go on by the big vest, goddamn. Let them grow into the shit. Yeah, you know where I'm at, brother. I'm in this vicinity. Come on, Larry. Good boy. Good boy, Larry. Good deal. What up, brother? Pee by the pee on the pole and come on, boy. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, Larry. Come on, Larry. Come on, Larry. Good boy. Move like a sewing machine. Look at him. Like a Clydesdale horse. Click, 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 click. If he has some horseshoes on there, what you'll hear? The big ass dog gotta move, man. Gracefully. Come on, fat boy. Tommy, what up, bro? Oh, don't forget that show, man, December 18th, Jack. Dirty South Bully Bash, baby. 1.0 on your ass. You know it's a dog, you know. Come here, Larry. Come here. Alright. Come on. Alright. You gonna run your little ass on, what? Swear you tough as hell. Yo, get your punk ass away from over there. Yeah, junkyard dog and ran your ass off. Now you gonna pee over there so they can smell your shit. That's a nigga for you. You gonna pee. This nigga gonna pee over here to fuck with the dog, man. You see how messy dogs is? That's a dog way of saying, bro, fuck you. I'm out the gate, you ain't. I'm finna piss on your shit. Pay attention to your dog, man, because he just really called that dog a fuck nigga in human terms. Nigga said, yeah, nigga, I'm gonna piss on your shit. You in the gate, you gotta smell my piss all motherfucking day, nigga. Come here, Larry. Come here, Larry. Come here. Come here. Ah! Now you gotta get a leash. Come here. Can't be running the 4 yard. Sit. 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 Can't run over there in the 4 yard, dude. I don't want to hear that punk ass whining. Nope. Sure can't. Sure can't run over there. I'm trying to get over there to that dog, y'all. He mad. He mad because he can't get over there. Nigga whining and shit. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. There's this nigga, man. Make a nigga get out of character and shit. Come on, Larry. Come on, Larry. Good boy. Alright. Alright. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on, good boy. Good boy. We back at the crib, Jack. Time to stack. You ready to stack up? You knock this shit over, man. Come on. Come on. Come on, Larry. Up. Up, Larry. Up, Larry. Up, Larry. Good boy. Good boy, son. Good boy, son. Boy, ready to work.